Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. Today we're up 15 basis points and we have approached to positive MACD and we're a bit near to the overbought levels with the RSI. If we expand that to the 4 hour chart, at the moment we're in negative MACD, but we do see signs of it converging. And at the moment we're resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line, at the price of $1,898. And for the daily chart, we are still in negative MACD territory, slowly approaching to positive territory. And at the moment, we did see a convergence with the 9 moving average onto the 18-day moving average. So the next possible support level will be the 100-day moving average, this orange line, at the price of $1,877, as that coincides with past support levels that dated back to October 6th and October 7th. And as for resistance to the upside, the 50-day moving average will act as our first immediate resistance at the price of $1,934. So if we do manage to head up higher to hit resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 1.4%, and to downside to hit support, that is 1.7%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and for the position size, it will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $175.81, and that coincides with the 100-day moving average, this orange line. As for my sell target, that will be $179.90, and my stop loss will be $175. And for my short position, it will be my entry at $180.73, and that would coincide with the 50-day moving average and past resistance levels that dated back to October 9th. My sell target for it will be $176.63, and my stop loss will be $181.56. So whichever entry prices hit my values first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 33% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 1.4%, and to the downside we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 1.4%, and for the extreme case to the downside, a 33% chance to fall between negative 1.4% to negative 2.8%. And thank you for watching.